Hey guys, welcome to my channel PsychAdmin. In this video I will show you a strange issue regarding Windows Update on Windows 10 operating system. I noticed this when I was about to install Windows Update on one of my Windows 10 client machine, but found that the update settings were hidden. Let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. So this is my Windows 10 operating system. Alright, I'll try to install Windows Update on this machine. Let me quickly go to Windows Update. Okay, I'll click on check for updates. It takes me to the settings page. I'll click on update and security. Alright, what you'll notice here is the Windows 10 option, the Windows 10 update option is hidden. Alright, so how will you install Windows Update? After a lot of research, I finally found the problem was with the registry settings. Let me quickly show you the registry path and the fix. Let me close this, go to run regedit. Okay, alright, so I'll show you the registry path. You need to go to HKey local machine, go to software, then go to Microsoft. Alright, now go to Windows. Under Windows, go to current version. Under current version, policies, and then Explorer. Alright, once you click on the Explorer, okay, you see this registry key. So this is the culprit here. All you need to do is change this, double click on it. You see it's written hide Windows Update, delete hide, and just write down show. Alright, click on OK. This should take effect immediately. Let me search for Windows Update again. Windows Update settings. Alright, we have the Windows Update available here. Now I can check for updates and install Windows Update on my Windows 10 operating system. Alright, so if you want to learn about more about Windows issue, you can check out my channel. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.